Hello, students, and welcome back to Sonoran Daily. I'm your host, Alessandra Santos. Josh Doyle is currently on vacation right now. Today is Wednesday, January 5th. Principals list and honor roll assemblies are this Friday during advisory. SHMS News has new members, Leah Hill with weather, Garrett S. Sports, and Kayla Sarter on location. The winter formal for 7th and 8th grade is January 28th. Tickets will be on sale Monday, January 10th in front of Miss Bemler's room upstairs. Now on to weather with Leah Hill.
Thanks, Alessandra. Today's weather will be a high of 66 and a low of 38. On our 3-day forecast, there will be highs of 70s and lows of 41 degrees. Stay cool. Back to Alessandra.
Thanks, Leah. Today's birthday is Dan R. in 6th grade. Happy birthday to you. Today's lunch is barbecue pulled chicken sandwich, premium steak cheeseburger, cheesy nachos, sun butter and jelly sandwich with string cheese, fresh veggies, refried beans, fruits, and milk. Yearbooks are on sale now. Buy yours today to guarantee end-of-year delivery. Students, don't forget to pick up your trash after lunch so we can keep our campus clean and beautiful. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to stay hydrated.